Alright, so for today's video, got invited for a very good cause. It's a fundraising tournament here in Can Golf. So we're playing the South course. It's a fundraising tournament for ABS-CBN. So starting this tournament here in hole number 17, which is playing 167 yards. So no warm-up, no anything. It's a fun hole. So the hole-in-one prize is a Grand Sportivo electric golf cart. And just playing also with my friend Gabby. Welcome back to the vlog, brother. Thank you very much for arranging our flight. Ayan, so this is the prize for the hole-in-one, just in case. And our flight mates, hello, good morning. Ayan. So lithium battery, just in case. Baka naman someone from the tournament will win this. Ayan, and also that one. Ayan, so this, I think this was their signature hole, or if it still is. Pero very challenging kasi may puno, pero nabawasan na yung difficulty niya because parang naputol siguro in trees. So I might hit a 7 iron. Right, starting the tournament. Hole 17, 174 yards, pero it's really playing 165. Currently, wala pang hangin. Then, shout out sa aming mga caddy. And si Ate
Maika po.
Maika. Ate
Mia po.
Mia. And yan, a new friend, si Ken. And tas ang aking caddy, si Ate Tess. Tess na lang, ate.
Oh, sige, sige.
Tess, ano ba ulit? Tessing?
Oh,
Tessing. Tessing. Tasing!
Yes.
Ayun, okay, sumabog na. Okay. Si Gabda will bring home the golf cart already.
I'll just hit it and go home now.
Yeah, go. Little pull lang, little left.
Go, Luigi!
Over yun? Over.
Top it.
Top ball lang. Top ball lang.
Sana umabot. Yeah, exactly. Playing also with Ken and his girlfriend, si Jasmine. Okay, so for my second shot, buti lang umabot. Left with mga 19 yards. Ganyan ate, wala ka nang pipindutin.
Sige,
Right to left.
Oo.
Half grip, no?
Oo, half grip.
Nako, ang kapal pala no.
Na ano lang. Kinain ng damo.
Okay. Gabby, to go up and down for his par. Bite. Bite. Okay, Ken.
Ano? Go! Okay, okay, nice.
Pasok! Ah, that's good, that's good. Pasok! Oh, good putt. Gabby for par. To go up and down. Bumali. That's good. Alright, so currently hole number 18, second hole of the tournament. Currently I am 1 over. So the play is, this is a par 5 playing 488. Shortcut dito. There's water here. So hopefully I can hit it straight with a 3-wood. Ganda. Nice shot, brother.
Yun, okay.
That's where you get your
Oh, yun.
Following
shot.
after Gab. Okay, for my second shot, I am left with 230 yards to the flag. I will go for the hero shot. Hit my hybrid since downwind naman. Cherry! Ay, safe! So may tulay, no, ate?
Yung malapit sa tulay.
Okay. Good shot. Okay, Mr. Herbosa left with 179 yards to go up and down for eagle, hitting his 8th iron. Ganda, Gab.
Nice. Diba mo? Bite. Okay, sir. Nice one.
Kulo ingay-ingay ninyo ha.
Okay lang. Okay, buti na lang na-carry ko. Just landed right of the green. Left with 40 yards to the flag. Hitting a 60 degree. Subukan ko inip. Bite!
Right? Okay, nice one.
Okay, Mr. Herbosa for eagle. To go 2 under na kagad through 2 holes. Mahina. Easy bird. Okay, I have this spot for birdie. 10 paces. Right edge bigay namin ni ate. Regular.
Go, buddy, go! Oh my God! Sayang! Ay, half ball na lang.
Kalahating gulong na.
Half ball.
Takas!
Manyo.
Hina. Okay, sayang yung birdie. Hindi ko pa nakuha. Hole number 1, playing 344 yards. Currently 1 over. Beauty! What a draw. What a guy, this guy. Nice drive, brother. Ganda. Okay yan, maganda yan. Okay yan, Doc.
Wow! Ganda rin.
Cut straight.
Nag-fade na talaga yung bola. Ano?
But fade, if it's fade, that means
Sir.
it's a bit heavy ba?
Nice shot. Beautiful. Nice shot. Alright, so just a recap. So for today's video, this is actually the first time that I'm joining a tournament with my new set, as in everything adjusted already after my fitting. So let's see how well or how bad I will be playing with my new set, as in after the fitting. This is the time na everything's adjusted na, my driver down to my putter. Yeah, so let's see if I can play well. The format of the tournament is system 36. Kanlubang naman talaga is very long. Normally when you do a practice round here sa Kanlubang, it's always the white tee, kasi next tee would be the gold na, which is for the pros. Yeah, Kanlubang is very long, pero we're not playing the more difficult course. We're playing the south course, which is difficult pa rin, pero not as difficult as the other course. So it's been a while since I last played here. Shout out to my friend si Robbie. He's yung member dito na nag-i-invite. And huge shout out again to Yanni for the gift. Yan. Thank you, brother. So like, comment, subscribe, comment if you like, or if you think I can break 80 here in Kanlubang during a tournament. Again, a fundraising tournament for ABS-CBN. So, thank you guys, and nice shot. Left with, this is for my second shot, I'm left with 116 yards. Uphill and slightly against the wind. So, ayan pala, hitting a 50-degree wedge. The difference between a pro and an amateur, ayan, I hit it well. Si Gab left siguro with around 50 yards na lang to the pin.
Draw. Okay lang. Okay lang yun.
By Jasmine's third shot. Good shot. Okay, Gab left with 60 yards to go up and down for his birdie. A little right. Okay, Gabby for birdie. Tumalon. That's good, brother. Tumalon eh, no? Okay, I have this putt for my birdie. It's 6 paces pero tirang 5 lang. Giving it right edge.
Ito na!
Birdie, birdie! Yes! Nice birdie!
Ganda rin. Go!
Tuloy.
Sige, ay!
Nice spot.
Pakimark, Doc. Joke lang. That's good, that's good. Good putt, Doc. Good try. Ay, lakas! Oh, number 2. 493 yards. Par 5 to ulit ate, di ba? May par 5. 493. Si Gab dapat sa blue eh. Ayaw niya mag-blue. Okay. So currently, Gab, you're even par, no?
Even.
Even. Ako, I'm currently... Oh, even na rin pala ako.
Doc is
Oh, even.
2 under.
2 under. Under kay Jasmine.
Nice.
Turn. Turn. Hindi nag-draw. Oh, nasa kanlubang lang yan, bro. Okay lang.
Okay.
Nice shot.
Okay lang, okay lang. Before ng puno. Boom. Okay.
Both Gab and I landed a little right of the fairway. Nag-punch out lang si Gab.
Left.
Tama na.
Oy, tama na.
Okay.
Okay, right before the bunker. Malakas na mag-pray. Malakas magdasal to. Okay, ako naman, I'm left with 220 yards. Hitting a 4 iron. Hopefully, hindi sumabit dito sa puno.
Yun! Wow! Diretso mo!
Ay, tama na!
Ay! Alangan yan. Parang
Abot! Bumigay!
pero parang tumalon.
Parang tumalon nga eh. Parang sa taas ng bunker. Okay, nasa water ang aking bola. Pero relief pa rin siya. Pero sa bunker pa rin. So this is to go up and down potentially for a birdie. 35 yards to the flag. Testing ano to ate? Kaliwa? Left to right ano?
Maliit lang, sir.
Okay.
Tumigil. Okay lang.
Ganda. Pasok. Almost went in. Okay, I have this birdie putt 13 paces uphill. Yan, aiming for that dirt sa left side. So, left to right yung break.
Uy, bakit? Ay, bakit sa kaliwa nagpunta? Ay, sa kaliwa.
Pasok, kitang-kita. Oh. Pasok. Good putt.
Okay, nice par.
Mali pa, dapat
Oo nga.
Alright, hole number 3.
Yes, sir.
So currently, I'm still even par. It's playing 335 yards. Ayan. Gabby will show us the way. Beauty. Ay,
Okay lang, sir.
tumama lang. Lusot mo lang.
Opo. Lusot na ho yun.
Lusot naman.
Okay. Nice shot. Hoy, para.
Ako muna kung fairway.
Oh, safe pa, safe.
Mr. Hebrosa. Mukhang he won the longest drive. Ilang yards ate? 276? 3 wood lang niya yan eh. Ayan. As of now,
Anong si Widjo?
Sir, pakisign.
239 si Widj?
276 ka.
Ay, diyari ka.
Hindi ate, wala na pong overtake niya Kayla.
Ang tip ko sa'yo, wag ka magpapatin.
Hindi mo pa alam.
Hindi, wala po talaga sa layo. Tinan mo, ikaw na.
276 lang yan?
Yes.
Blind shot. The pin is here. Hopefully, I think hindi naman magiging in-play tong puno dito. So I'm hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Ayan.
Uy, kumanan eh.
Kumanan ba?
Oo, ayan, bunker. Op.
Okay, unfortunately, landed on the bunker again. Right to left, 25 yards. Right to left. Uy, nabola!
Nabola-bola.
Ang lambot.
Matigas.
Ang tigas pala. Okay, I will take my mulligan. Nabola.
Yan. Oh, para. Oh, di ba?
Good choice! Good choice, good choice. Okay, good choice. Mukhang giving. Mukhang give. Thank you, brother. Okay, good choice. Okay, buti na lang par.
Nice.
Ganda! Beautiful! Oo, wala ka nang babagsakan dun eh. Nice shot. Okay, Jasmine. Ay, ang hina. Okay, Gabby for birdie from longest drive.
Go. Go, 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 go.
That's good, that's good. Okay, hole number 4. Playing on 165. This is a fun hole. So these are the sponsors. Get Go. Mukha bro, ito. Price Get Go. It might be a cart also. Ganda. Dikit. What a shot. What a guy. Ganda.
Draw.
Sige pa. Turn pa. Abot.
Draw.
Patong yan.
Okay.
Okay, lampas.
Good shot. Okay.
Go. Go. Okay lang. Go. Okay lang.
Di ba? Aim lang pala yung kanina pa eh. Good shot. I have this spot for birdie. Si Gab din is for birdie. 10 paces. -1 ate? -2?
-1 lang.
-1 lang. Left inside.
Mm.
Sa grass pa or with?
Nag-against.
Go!
Nag-against the grass tayo.
Against the grass. Okay, left
Almost
inside.
straight. Oo, halos diretso.
So parang regular lang.
Oo, oo.
Na mas mahina ng konting-konti.
Mm, mm. Oo, ay, bakit sarado?
Yun! Ay, sayang. That's good. Good putt. Good putt. Nanakot pa ng... Alright, hole number 5. 352 yards. I am still currently even par. Sana it will continue. Come on. Oof, stop turning, stop turning, stop turning. Sumabit. Yun! Beautiful! Gutom lang pala si Doc eh. Kulang lang pala ng kain. Nice shot, Doc.
Oo, nag-slice naman siya.
No, that's good, that's good. It's just,
Safe yan.
you'll have to punch out from there.
Safe lang ho, safe.
Laki ng cut. Nag-slice ang aking bola. Left with 105 yards to the flag. Nandito siya. Ate, papunas na lang please tong bola. 105 yards. Medyo right in front of a tree. Hopefully, I can hit it above those trees. Launch it high kaagad with my 56-degree wedge. Mahirap to. Bahala na.
Over. Okay na. Okay lang. Before bunker.
Okay, for my third shot to go up and down for par, 38 yards, right to left.
Wait. Parang magulang pa yun.
Dikit pa na.
Tumikit?
Si ate walang tiwala eh. Hindi ko tuloy alam kung maganda tira ko o hindi. Mukhang okay naman. Okay, dikit ate. Okay, hopefully par. Ay, go. Baba. Okay, Gabby for birdie.
Nice one.
Mahina.
Ay, bumali ano.
Nice. Uy! Ate. Okay, hole number 6. Still currently even par. 357 yards. Dog leg right. Handicap 1. Can't go over the water. So the play is mga 220 before the water. So hitting lang a 5 iron. Play it short. Stop turning. Okay lang naman yata yan. Okay. Good shot, brother. Ganda. Perfect draw.
Okay lang.
Perfect, ate.
Mukhang tatama. Ayun.
Ayun, nice shot, brother. Nice shot, Doc.
Okay. Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Okay.
54. Okay. Gab left with 154 yards for his second shot to go up and down for birdie to go in regulation. Ganda. Dikit. Ay, nag-bleed lang right. Right before. Okay. I am size left with 183 yards to the flag.
Right side ng pinang.
Going for it with a 6 iron.
Tuloy mo! Tuloy! Nangaliwa.
Delikado.
Delikado.
Donation na I'm still safe. Pero baka yung buhay ko ang hindi. Okay, basta ilalabas ko lang to. Dahan-dahan. Pag yun. Kahit gano'n lang ate. Tour.
Oh. Head down lang. Yes, nice out!
Hindi ko na inisip. Basta mailabas ko lang. Very lucky na I have a par putt. So kaliwa 13 paces for my par.
Yan, come on!
Okay, Gabby for his birdie. Ooh. Hole out everything. Tabletop.
Basta lamang ang
Tinitingnan ko kasi yung damo eh.
lamang pa rin talaga. Okay. Bogey!
Okay, wala daw punto dito. So hole number 7.
Still have a volley, diba?
Yeah.
Bomb this.
Mga, okay lang.
Still in play.
Layo pa rin. Go ahead, Doc. Ganda na, lumabas na, Doc. What a beautiful shot. Good drive, Doc.
Yes, nice shot!
Gabby with around 120. Up and down the first birdie. Turn. Ganda.
Oh my god.
Oh, over with the wind. That was a 60 yard drive. I'm left with 115 yards to the flag, hitting a 56 degree wedge.
Okay, go! Go!
Nawala yung hangin.
Oh, okay na.
Nawala yung hangin.
Oh.
Second shot. On the green right now. Gabby for his birdie. Okay, I have this putt for birdie. Left to right, 13 paces. This is to go back to even par if ever.
Go! Go! Talaga naman, eh.
Pasok!
Yan na.
Mahina pa yun? Mahina, Doc. Number 8, 200 yards. Hitting an 8 iron. Good.
Ganda.
Stop turning. Para nearest to the pin. Sayang.
Ano yung 7?
Oo, 7. Sana all, di ba? Ganda. Patong, nice shot, Doc.
Ikaliwa mo, kaliwa!
Patong mo lang, masaya na ako.
Ay, ayaw no, nasa labas.
At least,
Aha.
hindi ako masyadong kahihiya.
Sir, sige.
Perks of
To start it down.
having a
Push left.
very good
Pwede mo
golfer friend.
Yeah, that's why sometimes when I'm gonna hit hard, I slightly open my left. Right opens up quickly.
Oh, gets nyo? Okay, I have this for my birdie just outside. 15 yards. It looks like it's right to left. Ayan. Using my 60-degree wedge. Ay, sama ng talon.
Mahina lang.
Tsaka yung sipa niya, pakaliwa ka agad. Pangit yung binagsakan. Okay, I have that putt for par. Okay, club for birdie. Tumalon eh. Kuha! Uy, bumalik. Firm. Kailangan talaga firm, ano? Mahina!
Ay, sayang. Apil ah. Pigil.
Up. Alright, hole number 9. The last par 5 of the front 9. Playing 482 yards. Downwind. Mukhang si Gabby will bomb this. Give it mga 300, 350. 350 drive. Ganda na.
Nice shot.
Okay, okay.
Ganda ng
Saka lang. Saka lang. Okay.
I'm happy kasi alam ko naman na it's going to fade. Ayun, perfect. Pero you were aiming sa may coconut.
Actually, yeah. Okay.
Tayo pa nagtuturo sa pro eh. No? Okay, just laying up with for my second shot. Mga 100 yards. Okay, choking lang a 60-degree wedge para sure na safe.
Mahina.
Para full swing sa third shot. Okay, left with 120 yards for my third shot. To go up and down for a birdie if ever. Hitting a full 56-degree wedge.
Hindi yung targetin niya sila, sir, ha?
Left to right.
Four!
Kaliwa lang. Kaya sabi ko, hindi mo lang maganda yung tama. Left of the green. Okay, I have this putt for birdie. It's 13 paces. Left right ba yan ate?
Yes, sir, maliit po.
Maliit lang.
Kaliwang loob. Oy, para. Nakakabig.
Nakabig ba?
Bogi.
That's good. Nice putt. Atapang atao. Very unfortunate bogey. I think I am through 12 holes. I'm currently now 3 over na yata. So hole number 10, it's playing for 103 yards. Ayun, buti nag-cut. Nice shot, brother. Cut. Sige, cut pa. Nice shot.
Nag-slice.
Nag-against the wind.
Uy, kumaliwa naman. Diyan lang yun. Safe po.
That was a very terrible tee shot. Left with 168 to the flag. Hopefully it's against the wind uphill. Hopefully 7 iron will be enough.
Yun! Kanan lang eh. Kanan lang.
Nice on!
Nice on.
Sabi mo sa vlog.
Nice on. Eh, nice on.
Gabby, for his second shot, he's left with 117 yards. This is for go up and down for his birdie. Looking good. Ate 4 ah. Just a little short. I have this birdie putt, 13 paces, right to left. A little over lang the gimme range.
Yan. Uy, bumali agad. Ah, stop. Okay lang.
Ganda. Up, up. Reach. Mahina lang. Good try, Doc. Okay, Gab for birdie. Kuha. Uy, lakas lang. Go, go, go. Okay na yan? Kuha. Nice putt. Good putt. Okay, hole number 11. 451 yards. Dog leg right. So the green is in that area. So the play is to aim here. Aim for the tree. Beauty.
Wow. Yun. Huwag kang masyadong nangaliwa. Tama na yan. Yun. Rough.
Okay, playing 215 yards. Going for it with my hybrid. Better long than short. Okay.
Yun. Hindi. Sige, gitna mo lang. Ay! Behind. Pero ang ganda ng binagsakan niya. Oh, nag-kick lang.
Sayang ako nga eh. Sayang landed. Hindi maganda yung tama. So landed here sa bunker in the middle. There. Gab left with 189 yards. Going for it. Going for eagle. Draw. Draw. Turn. Turn. Patong naman yata. Very unfortunate. Pumanok sa bunker. 30 yards. Ano to ate? Left to right?
Diretso lang.
Diretso na. O dito lang ate. Please.
Oh. Kaya. Stop! Oo. Kahit pwede pa.
Kailangan na tagain talaga.
Pwede pa i-birthday.
Ayun o nga. Okay. May chance for birdie ulit. Okay, sana. Okay, good. Good outreach. Okay, Gabby. For eagle. Ganda. Ay, biglang nag-boost. Bilis nga, no? Sige pa. Abot. Grabe, bilis ah.
Bilis nga.
Ang bilis ano?
Hinila
Nice
ko pa
putt.
yun.
Oo.
Napul ko pa yun.
Bilis. Lakas. Napitik. Okay, I have this putt for birdie. Come on, Luigi.
Hindi sa speed mo.
Para magka-chance.
Hindi.
Susundin ko lang yun.
Oo.
Nice putt!
Depende lang sa speed mo ha. Aray ko, bakit?
Sabi ko ate, sobrang linya natin eh.
Bakit gano'n?
Okay, hole number 12, 376 yards. Very unfortunate. Hindi ko pa na-shoot yun. Mali yung tingin namin ni ate.
Okay!
Grabe yung tunog.
Yung iyon ang tayo.
Sumabog. Kawawa naman yung bola. What did the ball do to you? Taxi! Ganun din, ganda rin. Kaliwa lang. Pero I think that's playable. Uy! Ayun, bumalik!
Ayun.
May unggoy na may bukol.
Umulot din. Hindi yan. Okay lang yun. Wala akong tinaman. Safe yun.
Tubig.
Rap lang, rap.
Lagi naman tayo sarap. Di pa ba? Sanay naman ako doon.
Sanay sarap.
Okay, for my second shot, left with 175 yards. Subukan kong i-padraw from here. Tapos left. Yan natin.
Yun, oh. Hindi na kailangan mag-draw. Stop! Stop! At po. Oh! Sumobra nga.
Okay, second shot went over. Galing. Buti na ano. So it's 14 yards. Left to right. Medyo regular lang.
Ayan, kaliwa. Oh, para. Para na rin.
Down for par after that drive. Okay, hole number 13. That was a good up and down for par. Playing 186 yards with the wind. Fun hole from 3 strokes in Anantara Vacation Club. Si Gab will show us how to make a hole in one. Go. Good shot, brother. Ayun.
Okay
Okay,
lang yun.
safe naman. Okay.
Yun! Giba din, oh.
Come on, one time.
Ano na? Ayun!
May chance ulit, ate. Basahin na natin to ng maayos. Okay, yan. I have that birdie putt. Gabby for his birdie. Ganda. Birdie! Ay, sayang. Pakimark ulit, ate Mia. That's good. Good try, brother.
Parang ako'y ano ba kanan na? Kita na ang kanan.
Oo, okay. Right to left, 6 spaces for my birdie. We're giving it 1 cup. Firm.
Ay, lay.
Parang nag-ano ka?
Oo.
No chance.
Far only.
Ouchie, ouch. Okay, hole 14, last 3 holes. I am currently 3 over, 337 yards. Yan. Sayang, dami kong mga birdie, dalawang birdie putt yung malapit na hindi ko na shoot. Nag-bleed lang, right? Safe mo lang. Safe mo lang. Parang safe naman. Ganda. Suspended. Ang caddy. Good shot, brother.
Eh.
Yeah, go for the green. Go for the green. For my second shot, I am still left with 60. Tama ba? No? 65 yards. So kahit mga tirang 50.
Oo, 50, 60 lang yan. Stop. Oh, pwede na yan. Pwede na.
Yan, so little right for my birdie. I have this putt for birdie.
Pasok mo! Anak ng anak talaga.
Bumali.
Anak ka ng...
Di bumali.
Ali. Dumaan na eh.
kuha. Ay, bumali sa dulo. That's good, Doc. Ay, nako. Sayang ang birdie chance. Last 2 holes. Still currently 3 over. 302 yards. Thinking if I should play smart or go for it dito. Parang pwede pa rin. Go for it. Do it for the content. Ganda. Nice shot. Ganda ng draw. Perfect. Oo, ganda. Ang shot, Doc. Kanina pa chamba eh. Kanina pa yun. Chamba pa ba yun? There you go. Stop cutting. Nag-turn lang sa right eh.
Kaliwa. Okay lang yun. Lusot na yun. Maybe bunker or baka mag-green pa.
Okay, landed. I went there sa left. Basta playable, happy na ako. Laki. Okay, laki pala na ito. So, I'm left with 60 yards. So, bigay ni ate, we're aiming here in between these two coconut trees. 60 yards, tirang 50.
Bite mo, bite. Yan. Baba na, baba. Ay, malakas ka na. Tama na. Okay na.
So, that's where my second shot ended. Another chance for birdie. Sana. Okay, Gabby for his birdie. Uy, ayaw talaga. Okay.
Yo! Natuloy ulit, birdie!
Yay, galing. Actually, kunin nyo talaga si Ate Tesing pag nagkadi sa inyo dito sa Can Golf. Ang galing magbasa ng green. Sa 18 holes namin, isa lang ang nagkamali kami. Pero, ano yun? Okay lang, di lang bumali talaga. O, nagtatampo si Grace. Si Grace din daw, kunin nyo. Ayan, si Grace. O, kunin nyo rin daw. Ayan. Ayan, yung mga kunin yung mga kadi, masasayang kasama. Oh, yeah, kita niya, kulit, diba? Okay. Okay, last hole. Come on, Luigi. Currently, I'm not sure if I'm 2 over or 1 over. Most accurate pala to. Ay, nasa linya yung most accurate eh. Nasa linya yung most accurate, so no chance na yan. For me, ako, wala akong pag-asa sa mga ganyan. So, last hole. Come on, Luigi. So far, with my content, like I mentioned earlier, this is my first tournament na naka-fit na lahat, and I can't stress this enough na it really changed my game in terms of everything, driver down to the putter, especially the putter. I made it heavier. Si Coach Jake mentioned na dapat kong habaan and make it heavier, and it made really a difference. Parang I only made 1 3-putt this round, and most of my putts parang give me range yung second putt parate. So yeah, I highly recommend getting fitted. So playing the last hole, which is hole number 16, it is a long par 4, 348 yards. Straight lang siya. Beauty. Pagtanda ko, gusto ko ganun. Paglaki ko. Wanna be like Gab. Ganda rin. Oh, most accurate, brother. Kaya. Ay, kung gumulong pa siya pa left. Naku, sabi ko, huwag ka lang pumunta dyan.
Naku, hindi ko na nakita eh.
Maligan ka pa?
Doon sa may inyo. Pero playable naman yun. Buto na, laki ng fairway. Okay. With the wind, left with 110 yards, hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Go. Yun, sakto.
Okay, I have the spot. Left center na sa loob na. Okay, this is for par. 3 paces. Come on, Luigi. To finish the round, 2 over. Yata.
Oh, po siya. Lumaylay na. Ay,
Bog! Boge! Brother, Doc, thank you. It was a pleasure playing with you.
Nice game.
Ang galing ni ate, ano?
Chief.
Ate, testing. Nag-invento na. Left hand. Yeah, brother. Nice playing with you as always. Thank you. Welcome back to the second video content. Ate Mia, maraming salamat. Thank you. Jasmine. See you sa awarding. Maika, salamat. May shuttle kayo?
Ayan sir, yung jeep.
Pogi oh. Ay, pogi.
sir talaga.
Thank you, Ate Grace. Okay, thank you.
Shortcut.
Alright. Ayan, played 3 over. Submitting. Parang loto lang, aasa kang manalo. Sana parang loto lang. Bas-bas.
Okay, our next winner is nearest to the pin.
Hey, just a very quick recap about the video sa the tournament. Sayang, because of all that missed putts, the lip outs. I think 2 or 3 lip outs. I could have won sana kahit first runner up. Actually, baka mag-champion pa nga kasi dalawang lip out. I think the champion sa Class A was 3 under ba or 4 under. I mean, because of the system 36, so he made 4 birdies. Ako I made 2, pero lipped out 2 or 3. Tapos congratulations to Mark and si Gabby. They won. Yan, si Mark was even par, pero he had 3 birdies. Ako 3 over total gross, pero 2 birdies. So net 2 under ako. So I was just behind Mark. Sayang. Pero overall, the objective of me playing or me making this video was to test out the new set. And again, can't emphasize this enough. Very happy with the new fitted clubs. So again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you at the fairways and nice shot.